Recently, our Honorable Health Minister made a claim that the number of patients in Kerala during 2015 and 16 was 8 crores. But in 2025, it rose up to 13 crores. If that be so, according to her, this is an achievement. But she had committed a mistake. That is, she banned the medicines of Srishan Pharmaceuticals. The medicines of this company transmitted poison into the body of the Keralites and caused so many diseases in them, by which the number of patients were going on increasing. So, in order to keep your claim live and to maintain its going on increasing, my sincere advice to our health minister is that, Madam, you should find out some other pharmaceuticals producing these kind of medicines and spreading that medicines in our state. The number of patients can be increased and it can be kept going on increasing.